Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things, and I have yet another episode of March Madness, all of the projects that I created during January and February and didn't have time to do any videos of. So we're now on 19. Took a little break, got together some more cards. I officially will have, oops, I hit the camera stand. I will officially have enough cards for the entire month. And then some, actually. All right, so number 19. This was a card made in class. I do own the paper. It is called Country Floral Lane. And it was the Valentine paper, though not named Valentine paper. I had already done some projects with it. I had shared the patterns, and let's see if I can find, here it is. The one page I love the best, because I am now a bike rider in my old age, is this biking. And ironically enough, one of our cards that we made in class was a bicycle, and unfortunately you'll see that these hearts are upside down on the top, so we had to deal with that, and I went ahead and just let it be. So this is the project. You'll see that the hearts are upside down just like on this sheet. We used a balloon punch that may or may not be current. I don't think it's a current punch. The coordinating Country Lane plaid DSP, which I did not buy. I used solid faceted gems for the Mango Melody. I do not own this little tiny pink flower that was provided to us. It's very sweet. I picked the smallest one. I'm not sure the cloud, that is a current product, but I don't think I have it. And then she did a nice texture on it. The waves embossing folder, and the inside, very lovely. I usually like to leave mine blank, and in card class we typically always have overly decorated insides, which I love for something different because it's not what I typically do. I just like to leave them white with a couple of images stamped off to the sides so that I can write a big message. So again, this uses a strip from the bicycle pattern, the middle strip here, and then one of the plaids. And I think it's a very sweet card. I left it sentimentless. I think I'm going to do a happy birthday, but I do have a collection of cards that I will leave in the nothing on the front category that I can use and customize them. I think that this is a celebrate of some variety, but I just didn't do the happy birthday. Although, what does it say here? Sorry, it's the wishes for a beautiful birthday. Listen, look at me. So I'm not used to the inside, so I don't even need a sentiment on the outside if I don't want to put one on there. I hope I remember to put this in the birthday category. So that's all I got for this. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them here on this video or over on my blog. I will put the supplies list as much as I can find. Again, I'm not sure about the balloons, and I believe the little floral elements, and I know that the faceted, solid faceted gems and the white baker's twine are all current. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.